3 already. Look, 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 look. I'm getting dummied right now. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just wanted to do a quick shout out to today's sponsor, FFI Magazine. They're a totally free online fly fishing magazine that specializes in destination travel. They're a magazine that covers all spectrums of fly fishing, from saltwater to freshwater. They've got, I think, 5 issues out now. There's a bunch of really good reads from North America all the way to South American, saltwater and jungle opportunities. So if that's something you guys are interested, check it out. I'll link it in the description down below. You guys can check that out. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. That's a clean drop. Oh, beauty. Nice spawned out. Don't want her out of the water too much here. Oh, that's awesome, man. Well done.
Finally, let's go! Oh my god.
Well done, dude.
Did I just do that?
I think you did. You've done it. You've done it.
Did I just catch a steelhead spade fishing?
I think you done it. On the woolly, too.
That's a little reel. Oh my god!
You are on it today, man.
Let's go! Good way to start the opener. Okay, let's get him back in.
You got one, eh? Ooh, you could size one too. That's awesome.
When we first came here last year.
Jeez, that thing is hot. Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice.
Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a.
Okay, see ya.
Wait, he's staying with us. Okay, he's good. Come on. I'm on. There we go. I was just about to lift up and pull. Oh my god. Jason, I filled your net, buddy. Okay. Beauty. Literally the funniest hit, I was just about to like lift up and like set my cast up for the next next swing, and it just like went tight. I was like, oh no. That's awesome. Sweet. On. Hot. Super hot. Super hot. Super hot. Oh, that gets me so fired up. That's so sick. Oh, give me a good one. Give me a good one. That knot is not gonna fare well with my Maybe he gives me a jump. Maybe he gives me a jump. Oh my god, he gave it to me. He gave it to me. Yes. Well, I'm gonna try. You're not finding nice. Oh no, these knots, man. There we go. That was a good grab. That was a good grab. That was a good grab. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, he's in the net. He's in the net. Wow. On the swing. Never gets old, baby. Never gets old. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. Beauty. My buddy Jason Ford Fine Fishing Nets. Makes some really beautiful wood. This one's just a straight hardwood. He does stuff with burl and all sorts of cool stuff. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. They're a really, really pretty net. Oi, just got bumped. Spooky. There's a few fish in there. That was a good hit too. Holy shit. 3. Put an old Juicy Lucy on. Can't go wrong with her. Let me see if we can pull it off with this one. There we go. Oh, that was a good bite. That was a good bite. That was a good bite, man. What in the f is going on here? Are you kidding me? Like, I'm kidding. Look at this. They're demolishing my fly. I don't even know how that's possible. This is literally hurting me emotionally. Like, I'm hurting from it.
I thought it was something to do what they were doing down there.
What's going on? Dude, I'm like 5 fish deep on this run.
Wow. I thought you down there said you got one.
What's that? I've got like 3 already. Look, 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 look. Dude, I'm not even kidding. It's stacked right now. Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me right now? Dude, I'm getting dummied right now. I gotta go. I gotta go. Holy. Oi, oi, oi. That is a big fish. Holy heck. That's insane. That is a unit. Oh my goodness. Oh. Holy heck, man. I don't even know what to do right now. Look at the size of that fish. Oh my god. Dude.
Really big. 30 inches or more?
Here we go, here we go. Oh my god, dude. Roy!
Man, that's insane.
That was incredible.
You couldn't have timed that any better.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, appreciate the view. And if you guys enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe and stay posted for future videos. Our salmon fishing season is just around the corner, and I'm pretty excited to get some content going around that. So stay posted for that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Take it easy.